how to turn off or on auto sign in Chrome on Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on auto sign in on Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Chrome and click this one here, these 3 points, and click settings, and then click this one, passwords. And now here all you need to do is just click here if you want to turn it off, and as you see auto sign in has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click, and that's how it's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.